etodi kenanko meleme
mekwazo etodi kenanko melo mekwazo amakanata malonye bone.
Welcome to Africa. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Z, and on this channel I do everything from vlogs around Owerri, Nigeria, to skincare, hair care, and as a lawyer, yes, I'm a lawyer, fully certified, called to the bar. And as a lawyer, I also wheel out a few tips that would help keep you out of trouble. If this and many more are all you require from this channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button so you do not miss anything from me. And why I'm dressed like this is what the foremost African ladies, the maidens, used to wear in the early days when they had chores to do. It's actually tied like this. I'm going to show you how it's tied now. When an African lady ties this, you know she's ready for business. I'm going to take you on a tour of what my morning looks like living with my African parents, and I'm going to give you all the gist. Do well to subscribe so you do not miss anything from me. Okay. You can't be living with your African parents without devotion, morning devotion. And this is the annoying part of most morning devotion. Take for instance, you annoyed your parents the day before, like a night before. Truth be told, you're going to be the topic or the prayer points for the morning devotion. I remember one time when my brother got my dad angry or something. The next morning, he was the topic of the devotion. Father God, direct your son, this one, that one. So, like, morning devotions are like a key thing for most African Christian homes. This is something I love to do on a quarterly basis, once in 2 months, because of the pollution in Nigeria, because of the dust and everything. The nets in the house get quite clogged up quite often. So and I feel like that's not actually good, and we're not breathing in good air. So I try to do this. It's not actually easy to take out everything, so I do it section by section. That way it's easier. So this ones here now I'm currently cleaning are the ones for the kitchen. In the course of doing this, I get a call. Easy. Yes, mommy. She's like, her husband is in the bathroom, he's almost done bathing. Am I done making his food? Is it me that married? Is it me that married? Oh God. Subconsciously this happens to me. I fry potatoes, not even fish or chicken or anything. But whatever you say, Jare, this life the only ones I beg. Man, no go fry my eye. One thing you will notice is that African women are multitaskers. Like, we can multitask very well. So while this is happening, I'm trying to sort out a few items, a few supplies, and put them in their rightful place. This is oats. I got it for 1,350. This is what we used to get before the pandemic for 750. It has doubled in price. So we usually get the refill pack and then put it in the container, just like I'm doing right now. That is one of the specs of being an African woman. You look for different ways to save money. Yes, guys. Multitaskers, smart thinkers, and smart savers. Those are what an African woman, those are part of the criteria of an African woman. No wonder Elon Musk is looking for an African woman. Can you guys bring him to my channel? Let's have some discussion, a one-on-one session. All right, I'll let you guys enjoy this video. Eggs and cabbage for the potato. It's just cabbage with tomatoes, onions, green pepper, just lots of vegetables with eggs for my dad. Basically, it's nothing serious. Sorry I couldn't film it because I was in a hurry. Yep. So after that one is done, you go back to work. That is it. You go back to work. And I do not usually eat until I'm done working. Else, trust me, that job is done for the day. And nothing, no Jupiter can bring me out of my room. So is it the same for you? When you eat, are you tired of doing anything? So I try to like pause or forestall anything eating pending when I'm done working. That way, I'm more productive, I'm more effective, I'm more efficient. I don't know if it's just me, but it works for me so well. Like I said, African parents do not care. They'll still call you again. So this is me coming back from one errand or another. What do you mean? African ladies, domesticated, we also know what's up. I know some people will say that Cardi B said, I don't cook, I don't clean, but I got the ring. But in my case, I cook, I clean, and I still got everything I deserve. That is it. So this is basically what it looks like to be African, to be a girl, not just African, but to be a girl in an African home. I'm done taking care of every other person, and that's typically what it looks like in Africa. You take care of other people, you put other people first. It's past 12 right now. My dad has eaten, my mom has eaten. In fact, my mom is prepping for her second meal right now, and I haven't had anything to eat apart from zobo. So that's usually how it is, because I don't know if it happens to other people, but when I cook, I tend not to eat. I get filled up, especially when people appreciate my meal. So I feel like I have eaten from other people eating, right? So now I'm done taking care of other people. It's time to take care of my room. My room is not literally a mess, but I'm just going to show you what my room looks like right now. I haven't done much, so I'm just going to quickly make my bed and arrange my room. But this is my current read right now. That's why it's on my table. It's the Lincoln Lawyer. So I'm just gonna head on, arrange my room, then head into the shower, and then start filming content for YouTube, basically. So yeah. Hi guys, and welcome back. So this is me right now. I'm all freshened up, and I'm about to do other stuff. So apart from doing housework, you also have to make the money, right? So I'm about to shoot like 2 to 3 videos for YouTube. I just got up the shower. I haven't applied anything on my skin, so I want to do my skin routine and then makeup and then do other stuff. Someone asked me in one of the Q&As, I'm going to answer what it feels like living with your African parents. My parents are quite liberal. I'm allowed to do what I want to do. I do have a curfew, like I've said before. I'm very comfortable living with my parents until something else happens and I have to go. And to be honest, it's not only saves you money, it also helps you in a way to prepare for the future, right? I'm not opposed to people living on their own or doing stuff. All I'm saying is do it for the right reasons. Just do you. My parents are quite liberal for me, so all have different caps to wear, different hats to wear at every point in time. The best thing to do is to wear every cap or every hat so well that everything balances in the end. So this is just an encouragement. You do not necessarily have to go to Lagos, Abuja. A lot of people are making it even here, so do not be frustrated. Oh, I have to go to Port Harcourt, oh, I have to go to Lagos. You can make it anywhere at any time, even under your parents' house, until you are able to move out by reason of marriage, relocation, or something else. I mean, I've lived on my own and I know it ain't cheap. So yeah, we all grow and everything. At the same time, just do you. Don't do things because every other person is doing it. Do it for the right reasons, and that's all I'm saying in this video. Do it for the right reasons. So till I come your way next time, do what to subscribe, share, like, and watch out for the video that I'm about to post. Love you.